we discussed day 21 today, that is magnificent outcomes. You say grace before meals, all right, but I say grace before the concert and the opera, and the grace before the play and the pantomime, and grace before when I open a book, grace before sketching, painting, swimming, fencing, boxing, walking, playing, dancing, grace before I dip the pen in the ink. G.K. Chesterton, 1874-1936 writer. We all want good outcomes to everything we do. In giving thanks before he performed an action, the writer Gilbert Keith Chesterton used the magic of gratitude to guarantee the outcome is wanted. You will have had times when you thought of yourself, I hope this goes well, or I hope this turns out okay, or I'm going to need a lot of luck. All these thoughts are hoping for a good outcome to a situation, but life doesn't happen by chance or because of stroke of luck. The law of universe operates mathematically to finest possible degree. That is something you can count on. A pilot does hope that the law of physics will keep working during his flight because a pilot doesn't hope that the laws of physics will keep working during his flight because he knows the law of physics will never fail. You don't go into your day and hope that the law of gravity will keep you on the ground so you don't float into the space. You know there is no chance at play and gravity's law will never fail. If you want magnificent outcomes to everything you do, then you have to use that law that governs outcomes, the law of attraction. That means you have to use your thoughts and feeling to attract magnificent outcomes to you. Being grateful for magnificent outcomes is not the simplest way to do it. The magnificent outcome practice is being grateful before you do. Sometimes you want to do go well. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to the work, meeting, job, interview, or exam. The magnificent outcome to a sports game, phone call, catch up with a friend, seeing your mother-in-law. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to your exercise routine, your pet's vet appointment, your medical or dental checkup. You could be grateful for magnificent outcome when an electrician, plumber, or any trade person is addressing a problem in your home. The magnificent outcome to a family outing, conversation with your child about his behavior, or heart to heart with your partner. You could be grateful to the magnificent outcome to a purchase you'll be making, such as birthday gift, engagement ring, or wedding dress, or the magnificent outcome to choosing a new cell phone, new carpet, types or renovation company. You could be grateful to the magnificent outcome for a reservation at a restaurant or great seats for a concert. Magnificent outcome to your daily mail, to your daily mails or your tax refund for the year. It helps you to believe in the magical power of gratitude to create magical outcomes. You can wave your fingers through the air and imagine you are sprinkling magic dust over the event you want to turn out magnificently. Another time of us gratitude for magnificent outcomes when something unexpected happens during your day. When something unexpected happens, very often we can jump to conclusions and immediately think that there's something wrong. For example, you arrive at work and told that the boss wants to see you right away. Problem with jumping to conclusions and thinking that something is wrong. The law of attraction says that what you think and feel you attract so more. So stop jumping to conclusions, thinking you might be in trouble. Take the opportunity to make the magic happen by being grateful for a magnificent outcome. If you miss your bus or train or way to work or miss a flight or an unexpected delay, instead of thinking this is bad, be grateful for the magnificent outcome so that you put the magic into motion to receive a magnificent outcome. If you are a parent and you're asked to attend an unexpected meeting at school about your child, instead of thinking there is a problem, be grateful for the magnificent outcome. If you receive an unexpected phone call, email, or letter, and the thought flashes in your mind, I wonder what's wrong, immediately be grateful for the magnificent outcome before you pick up a call or open email or letter. Most of the time, you will see and experience the magnificent outcome you asked for, and occasionally, you won't even know how you benefited from an unexpected event. But when you ask for a magnificent outcome, feel sincerely grateful for it. Using the mathematical law of attraction, you must receive a magnificent outcome back somewhere at some time, guaranteed. When you find yourself thinking there is chance at play with something in your life, or thinking that you have no control over something, or when you find yourself hoping something will turn out well, remember there is no chance for the law of attraction. You will get what you're thinking and feeling. Gratitude helps protect you from attracting what you don't want, bad outcomes, and it ensures that you get what you want, magnificent outcomes. When you are grateful for magnificent outcomes, you are using universal law and changing hopes and chance into faith and certainty. When gratitude becomes your way to life, you automatically go to everything you do with gratitude. Knowing the magic of gratitude, it produces a magnificent outcome. The more you practice magnificent outcomes and make it a daily habit, the more magnificent outcomes you will attract in your life. Less and less you find yourself in situations that you don't want to be in. You won't find yourself in wrong place at the wrong time, and no matter what happens in your day, you will know the absolute certainty that the outcome will be magnificent. At the beginning of the day, choose 3 separate situations where you will like magnificent outcomes. You can choose 3 things that are important to your life. This is a job interview coming up, an application for loan, an exam, or a doctor's appointment. You can also start by selecting 3 things that are normally human activities. You can start by selecting 3 activities that are normally humdrum activities for you, because when the magic happens to those 100 activities, you will really convince that you attracted magic next time. For example, you could drive your work doing the iron. You should choose your drive to work, doing the ironing, going to the bank or post office, picking up the kids, playing the bill, or collecting the email. Make a written list of these situations you've chosen for magnificent outcomes. Use gratitude magical power as you write each one of them. Imagine that you're writing about each one after that has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome too. The second step of this magical practice, you are going to choose 3 unexpected things that arise to 10. Use the magical power of gratitude for this magnificent outcomes as well. To do this practice before you take 3 phone calls, or before you open 3 emails or 3 letters in the mail, before you do unexpected errand or anything else unexpected that comes up in the day. The part of the practice is not as much about what unexpected events you choose as it is about practicing gratitude for magnificent outcomes and the little unexpected things. Each time an unexpected event arises, close your eyes briefly if you can and mentally say, feel the magic words. Thank you for the magnificent outcome too. You can't do this magical practice too much, because you are the more you practice it, the more magnificent outcomes you will have in your life as a matter of course. But practicing it today will get you the idea of it. And in future, if you find yourself in a situation where you are hoping for a good outcome or thinking you need luck, you will immediately turn into magical power of gratitude and make magnificent outcomes as a certainty in your life. Magic practice number 21. Magnificent outcomes. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list and end each of blessings. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful as for the blessing as you can. At the end of the day, choose 3 things or situations that are important to you when you want magnificent outcomes. List the 3 things and write each one of them you are writing after it has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome too. As you go through the day, choose 3 unexpected events that come up in your day and when you can be grateful for magnificent outcome. Each time, close rise and mentally say and feel thank you for the magnificent outcome too. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand. Say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.